What's he doing? Are you trying to put your shoe on? You wanna wear your cowboy boots? Yeah. Look at all the ornaments. Yeah. I think they're supposed to be on the tree. Was that you? Oh, okay. Yeah. Really? Really? Can you say ace? What? What? You want some? Okay, you can have some. Okay, say bye-bye. Good job.